Chicken Little by Rebecca Emberley and Ed Emberley. Ed Emberley wrote Go Away, Big Green Monster. Chicken Little was not the brightest chicken in the coop. He was very excitable and prone to foolishness. One day, he was doing nothing, his usual pastime, when an acorn fell from the sky and hit him on the head. Bonk! Eep! It knocked him senseless. "Oh, my goodness, oh, my gracious," he exclaimed. "The sky is falling, the sky is falling. I must run for my life." He grabbed his umbrella to protect his scrambled noggin and ran out into the world without much of a plan. It was not long before he bumped into Henny Penny. Bonk! Walk! "Where are you going in such a rush?" she squawked. "Oh, my goodness, oh, my gracious," Chicken Little panted. "The sky is falling, the sky is falling. We must run for our lives." "Oh, my," said Henny Penny, and being witless herself, joined in without any further questions. And off they ran. Still no plan. Within minutes, they ran into Lucky Ducky. Bonk! Ah! "Hey," he quacked, "why are you in such a hurry?" "Oh, my goodness, oh, my gracious," huffed Chicken Little. "The sky is falling and we are running for our lives." Henny Penny could not catch her breath, so she said nothing. Not wanting to be left out, Lucky Ducky joined in, and off they ran. And still no plan. Momentarily, they ran into Loosey Goosey. Honestly, with names like these, is it any wonder? Bonk! Honk! "Why don't you watch where you're going?" she honked. "Oh, my goodness, oh, my gracious," rasped Chicken Little. "The sky is falling and we are running for our lives." "What a bother. I'd better come with you. What's the plan?" asked the goose. "No time for a plan," they puffed. "The sky is falling," and off they ran. As it was growing dark, they ran into Turkey Lurkey. Bonk! Whoop! "How dare you?" he gobbled. "Oh, my goodness, oh, my gracious," croaked Chicken Little. "The sky is falling and we are running for our lives. No time to explain." And off they ran. Oop! Onk! Ack! Awk! Eep! Bonk! Soon the anxious little flock grew tired. They were not used to all this running. Then they ran into Foxy Loxy. My, rumbled the fox. "Where are these little birdies going at such a frantic pace?" "Oh, my goodness, oh, my gracious," gasped Chicken Little, who was now quite out of breath. "The sky is falling and we are running for our lives." "Oh, my goodness, indeed," said the fox. "We must find a place for you to rest. Step into this warm, dark cave where the sky cannot fall on you." Without another thought in their tired, feathered heads, "Oh, my gracious!" the flock went forward gratefully into the warm, dark cave. "Phew!" squawked the hen. "It stinks in here." "And the floor is squishy and wet," quacked the duck. "Uh-oh!" gobbled the turkey. "Oh, no!" honked the goose.